Phone? Oh, yes, you got a phone. So this is the new redesigned Watch the Freedom mode, I see.
And the king crab. So this is a 26.
Nice.
Okay, so have you done this before?
Not on the track, but I have at our dealership. I've done it on my own little track that I've created.
Alrighty. Well, we're going to talk you through some of the different features. 4-wheel steer is the first one. Then we go into king crab. Then you're allowed to get onto the banking. But why are they up in a middle lane? They don't want us there. They want us down on the first lane. So
I've been seeing them on the middle lane the whole time.
No.
Good Lord.
No. So that's going to get us in trouble because the track's out here and so are the clients. And they don't want us there.
Oh, I see.
Hey, there's a ton of debris out there. And you'll see what I'm talking about. Alrighty, sir. We're going to go ahead and put her in drive. Be aware my one pedal is on. It will always be on. Okay.
Sweet. You ready?
Yep.
Perfect.
So we're going to start very slow. Super slow stuff. We're going to start with 4-wheel steer. You've done that before, have you?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to come up there. As close to the cones, you're going to give me one full turn at 5 miles an hour. Once we come out of that, we're going to set you up for king crab.
Perfect. Yeah, this will be the first time I get to experience king crab. I've done all the research.
Well,
and
nobody's done it yet today.
Really?
This is the first city we've had this. We have not had it in any other city than here. So this is.
So I feel lucky.
So okay.
Right around the cone.
Start to the right. Keep it at 5 miles an hour. Right here, right here, right here. Just give me one full turn, less speed. So less speed. Because you got to understand, all your tires are working in opposite direction.
Yep.
So there is a speed limit to 4-wheel steer. There is a speed limit to crab walk, and there's also a speed limit to king crab. Okay.
Okay.
All of these features, if you exceed 15 miles an hour, you want to stay to the left of that orange cone.
Got it.
Because we're going to activate king crab. So stop right here. King crab, 4-wheel steer. Those two features are the same. The only difference is now when you activate king crab, your back tires kick out twice as quickly as the front. Okay.
Oh, so you got the nice little king crab mode there. Sweet.
And it's different. So
that is different.
King crab is purple.
Yep.
This is still our crab walk, but this has changed. The icon has gone to a 4-wheel steer icon versus a crab.
Yep.
Obviously, they figured people would be too stupid to figure out one's king crab, one's the crab walk.
Yeah.
Anyways, so here, let's see, my cone's right here. So you're gonna slalom. You're gonna go around these cones, 5 miles an hour. Nope, you don't have to do anything. Yeah.
Just leave it.
Yep. Because that allows you to see where the cones are.
I just see it now.
And when you activate that, that's the screen that you get. Do you understand?
Oh, nice. Yeah. Holy crap, that is a lot faster.
Less speed. Keep it at 5. Just because you're actually going to feel it better.
Yes.
It's just like doing crab walk. So your back tires are kicking out twice as fast as the front ones are.
Okay.
Yep. So yeah, this is the first
really
city that we've had king crab.
That is cool though.
And then just to deactivate it is one click and you're out, and takes you right back into.
So it's even quicker than it was before too.
Well, we never had king crab.
No, like even just like the normal crab walk.
Yes, it is.
It took a few seconds for it to activate, and the steering wheel had to be straight.
Yeah. Yes.
I was still in the middle of a turn.
So we're gonna stay lower this lane all the way around.
Okay.
Yeah. So activating crab walk is still the same, but to get out of it, it's one click and you're done. You don't have to wait for the wheel to be straight. You can take it up to 65 miles an hour before we have to get into the middle lane. So the only time we're going to get into the middle lane, and here's the thing, he might have already passed. So you're going to see a bunch of cones to the left. Okay?
Yep.
Once you start to see those orange cones, you're going to start to slow down, and we're going to get into the middle lane. So he might have, no, he wasn't. Yeah, he stayed.
I think they were still in it.
And that's fine. Okay, so now you can get in the middle lane because we're going to get ourselves ready to do Watts to Freedom. Okay? But we're going to do it at
I can feel that embankment. That was cool.
Yeah.
To do it in a Hummer is crazy. 20 degrees. That's awesome. 28. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Now, I've been to the Daytona track.
So start throttling off as we get up to that sign. So this track in 21 was completely tore down.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So it was brand new when I came here in 23, technically.
Yes.
Okay.
So right now, this asphalt that we're on is only 4 years old. In 21, we were here. They totally tore this whole oval down because it used to be only 24 degrees of banking.
Oh,
so it went from 24 to 28.
Cornering.
So here's the thing. It's a 1.5 mile oval. When you don't have real estate and you want to create more speed, the only way to do it is by adding the banking. Do you understand? So the more banking, the faster you go. So that's why it's 28 degrees of banking and not 24.
That's nice.
Yep. So you're going to give me a left foot on the brake.
Full on throttle,
Yep. Right foot on the throttle all the way to the floor.
Yep.
No, you're not there yet. Throttle to the floor.
Oh, throttle to the floor.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Same thing. Head back.
Yep.
Only releasing brake. When I say lift, just come off the throttle and let the vehicle coast.
Okay.
You ready?
So wait, say it one more time.
Brake only. When I say lift, then just come off the throttle.
Okay. Got it.
Brake off. Keep it steady, and throttle off. Fantastic. So,
nice.
we can get down into that bottom lane, but above the yellow line, stay there until we go around, and we're going to finish with crab walk.
That is awesome.
So 0 to 60 now is, you're still feeling a little torque steer, but not as bad as what it used to be.
No, this is great.
In the 22s and in the 23s, it was a little sketchy. So
even in the Sierra EVs, it's still sketchy.
Yeah, that torque steer is still there.
Yeah.
Yep.
But I think it's because those are primarily front wheel drive. Is that because that's what it feels like? Like it is all wheel drive, but like it feels like it prioritizes the front wheels more, and this prioritizes the rear wheels. So what do I need to know now? Just keep going?
Yeah, somebody knocked this cone. That shouldn't be there. See that little cone over there? I want you to stage to the left of that.
To the left,
where we're doing our crab walk.
Got it.
Yep.
Perfect.
Okay, so
and just stop here?
Yep. So the activation of crab walk is still the same. It's just to deactivate crab walk is a little quicker. Before you had to have the wheel have to be straight, because here's the thing. This sensor didn't want to see that. Do you understand?
Correct.
Because as long as it felt like you were doing this, it's not going to do anything. It wouldn't get out of that.
So that sensor kind of works with the crab. Okay. I didn't know that.
And even that is also, if you've ever done Super Cruise, yeah, that's important. Okay, same thing, push and hold. I'm just going to do the whole thing. The only difference that's new for the Hummers is the fact that now they've gone to the same system as the Sierra. There's no start button.
Oh,
it's activated.
I thought it was gonna be all the same. Okay.
Oh, so it's activated by pushing the brake.
Oh, because I see the button. Okay, so you can turn it off now.
Yeah.
I think a lot more people like that.
Before you get out of the car, once again, you got to hit that button, make sure it doesn't shut the vehicle off. Because once it does that, every time you open the door, it deactivates my what's the
Yes. Okay.
Alrighty, so
and then you see the little crab there.
Yep.
That's nice.
So we're there. So Hummer sign upside down.
Yep.
Start there. There's my cone, so you have an idea where you're at.
And it shows you now.
Yeah, it
didn't show you before.
No, so that's new too. So remember, you want to keep your steady throttle at 5.
Yep.
Yeah, so you're
I'm at 7.
Yeah. So the slower you go, the more you're going to feel it. There you go. And it's also easier to turn that steering wheel. You don't have to play too much and turn a little bit more. Because we're on some banking, so that does make a bit of a difference.
Yep.
And there's your guy right there. Boom.
Oh, I was close.
Yeah.
I'm going to hit it.
Yeah, turn your wheel as much as you can, because here's our cone. There you go. You got it. Hey, we're in crab walk. We can do this.
Good. That was close.
Perfect. Okay. Now, one click of the button, and we're out.
And you don't. That's amazing. You don't even have to have it straight. Because that was so hard to explain to customers.
Yeah.
Was you have to have the steering wheel straight. Just turn it here.
Yep, we're going to turn in here. And we're going to pull all the way up to, I guess, where the guys are standing, where Mike's standing with the umbrella. I think we've got one more person to put in here.
Perfect.
So yeah, a lot of features have improved in the Hummer for sure. Watts of freedom, the crab walk, like I said, that is a whole new thing for us.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So I think I've been neutralized to the 0 to 60, like being in all these vehicles, because obviously I think GM said that this one was like 0.2 seconds quicker. It was 2.8 0 to 60. Yeah. It didn't feel that quick this time.
It doesn't, but it is actually quick.
It is
quick.
You
know why? Because we're not wasting all the energy with the launch and the front end.
Yeah. That's awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Have a great day.
You too.